Introducing a revolution in flight. 2 years ago, Zero Robotics introduced the Hover Camera Passport, the first flying camera of its kind. It won numerous design awards, led to a worldwide partnership with Apple Retail, and touched the lives of thousands. Now, after 2 years of research and development, from the lab to the sky, we're proud to present the next generation, Hover 2, the drone that flies itself. Hover 2 is the most intelligent, most complete flying camera the world has ever seen. With 4K video, 12-megapixel photos, and a smooth, super compact gimbal, Hover 2 lets you capture the natural world and your place in it in dazzling detail. Taking a photo with a drone has never been easier. Use AutoFrame to select a shot, press a button, and Hover 2 will safely fly into position. This is possible due to a proprietary obstacle avoidance system. The optical radar is a swiveling stereo sensor that pops up with a small tap, delivering 360-degree spatial awareness. Hover 2's new suite of AI algorithms, paired with the Snapdragon processor, is 4 times more powerful than its predecessor. 3D mapping and advanced visual positioning allow Hover 2 to plan its flight path and bypass obstacles in real time. Use OmniFollow to track your movements from the front, side, and back, with more stability and higher tracking precision, both made possible by the new AI. Track shots are flight presets inspired by classic filming techniques that help you capture epic clips of you and your friends. Cinematic themes on the Hover app include filters, music, and more to transform footage you just captured into shareable clips with professional appeal. To unlock the full power of aerial flight, enable blast-off mode. Uncaged and paired with the blast-off remote and accessories, Hover 2 responds with up to 23 minutes of flight time and a 5-kilometer range. Aerodynamics, agility, and finesse are also increased. Hover 2 is the easiest and most intuitive flying camera yet. The technology of the future, available today.
When your phone is so versatile and yet so portable at the same time, it's no surprise that more than 85% of us now shoot photos with it. We are Shiftcam. We are here to make your smartphone mighty powerful. And this is the world's first 12mm aspherical ultra-wide-angle lens for your smartphone. For the past few years, Shiftcam has been working tirelessly on a series of performance-enhancing detachable lenses for your mobile phone. Using a technique that melts glass into shape, we are able to concentrate every single light particle to bring DSLR lens quality into mobile. We have achieved an impressively small 12mm ultra-wide-angle lens with outstanding clarity and zero distortion. It's the first of its kind, combining the world of highly portable and fully capable. The era of photography begins. So, here is what you need to know. This 122-degree ultra-wide-angle lens enables you to capture unprecedentedly more, 300% more, in fact, for that phenomenal impact, both outdoors and indoors. The pioneering zero-distortion aspherical lens means no more warping of lines, so that your pictures taken are as real as your naked eye can see. This is where mobile photography really comes into its own. With the right app, you can easily auto-calibrate the perspective of your ultra-wide shot, pushing the ordinary to extraordinary. Never before has this been achieved on just your mobile phone. The unique optical design, coupled with nano-coated lens, minimizes unwanted flares, optimizes chromatic aberration, together contribute edge-to-edge clarity. For those of us on the hunt for the unexpected stories, the 12mm focal length means you can see more than first meets the eye. This is just the latest addition to Shiftcam's innovative collection of 14 lenses. One mounting system for all your photography needs. Just shift, point, and shoot. Highly portable and fully capable. Shiftcam's patented secure mounting enables 100% accuracy for zero effort. Thousands of hours of design and development has led the Shiftcam team to this point. This ultra-wide-angle lens combines the quality of professional DSLR and the versatility of mobile photography. It's one small lens for your phone, but one giant leap for photography.
Welcome to the next level of VR. Oculus Quest is an all-in-one virtual reality gaming system that allows you to play untethered in room-scale VR. Transport yourself to a new world. Battle against friends in combat. Or to the beat. Share your victories for all to see. Fight robots. Slow time. Find your rhythm. Blast drones. And more. Learn how with the following video series.
Content creator, journalist, filmmaker. Labels don't matter. What's important is your story. Say hello to MicMe Pocket, the world's first fail-safe audio recorder and clip-on microphone that wirelessly connects to your phone. Focus on your story and never worry about audio again. If you shoot videos with your smartphone, you'll love MicMe Pocket for creating short social content.
Hey guys, we're at Lighthouse Festival hanging out in the sun and testing the new MicMe mic.
It delivers the best sound for your social stories because you pick up the sound right at the source. Plus, the audio is automatically in sync with your smartphone video. With the dedicated MicMe app, you post directly from your phone. You'll be done within minutes.
It's so important that everything I bring is very lightweight. So I don't bring any of this audio gear. I'm just bringing two MicMe Pockets and the phone that I already have on me, and I'm good to go.
Even in challenging shooting situations, MicMe Pocket is your go-to audio device.
The most important thing for documentaries is actually that you don't have to worry about audio. It just has to be plug and play and work because I'm actually busy filming. It's really practical because I'm controlling the audio through my phone. I'm leveling it here and I can hear what he's saying. And now I have my hands free. It's also recording on the device itself, so it's fail-proof. It has a double backup already.
What's more, you can handle multiple MicMe Pockets at the same time with just one phone. MicMe Pocket will transform the way you film. For live streams, there's no need for big equipment or big teams anymore.
We're here to talk about our new product, the MicMe Pocket.
We're here to talk about our new product, the MicMe Pocket.
With the MicMe Pocket, you can share your content easily and quickly to the world. Stream live to your social channels without losing any audio quality. MicMe Pocket. Reliable, smart, compact. Give your story the sound it deserves.